He's really getting there. I mean, that's the longest bath I've seen a loon take in quite a while, or ever maybe.
What he's doing there? I've never seen that to that
Oh, look at him. I've never seen that. Almost stood.
See how he's on his back? He's not injured, is he?
No.
Well, you would hope not.
I've seen him do that, but not for that long.
Well, the way he's flapping around makes you wonder if he's injured.
Look at his tail. No.
It's like he's sending out a signal.
Is he injured?
No.
Do his wings work together?
I just thought it was strange when I saw his foot up in the air.
Well, oh, now there. See, he flapped him out a little bit. If we get close, he'll take off or go under, right?
I don't know.
If he's injured, he won't go anywhere.
He doesn't feel threatened.
No, this happens all the time with these things out here.
Never been this close.
Unfortunately, somebody get run over.
I've never been this close to him.
Really? You want to sit here?
No, this is fine. I don't want to spook him. There it is. There it is.
A Minnesota loon, that's our state
Nice.
bird, right?
Yep.